English conversation between the teacher and student. Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started.
Good morning, Rachel. How are you doing today?
I am okay, thanks for asking. How about you?
Well, I am just fine. That's nice of you to ask.
Do we have a test today?
Yes, we have a math exam later today. It is on Unit 2. Are you ready for it?
I think so. Are we allowed to use a calculator or scratch paper?
You can use a calculator for the second part, but not for the first part. You may use scratch paper for the whole test.
Oh, I better prepare during study hall. I did not study for the part without a calculator.
Make sure you review Chapter 4 and Chapter 5. You will need to know everything in the review section for each of those chapters for the Unit 3 test.
How many questions are on the test?
Part 1 of the test has 20 questions, and Part 2 has 15 questions. So there are 35 total.
Are any of the questions multiple choice?
There are a couple of multiple choice questions, yes.
I am starting to get nervous about this test. I thought I had prepared. But now I feel like I need to study a lot more.
Just do your best, and it will be fine. Take me advice and review Chapter 4 and Chapter 5. Come to see me during the day if you have any questions.
Okay, thank you. Are there any bonus points on the test?
Yes, there are 2 bonus questions. You can complete for extra points. I will review the questions when I pass out the test to you and your classmates. The bell is about to ring. You better get to your first class.
Oh no, I am going to be late. Can you please write me a hall pass?
Yes, I will write you a hall pass. But just this once. What class are you going to?
I am going to PE with Mr. Ben.
Okay, here is a whole class. Please go straight to your class and give this to Mr. Ben.
I will. Thank you for all your help. See you later today. Thank you for watching this video.